Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks using this kit called Sleep in Cosmos. This was released in the first week of April and I'm going to be using it on the second week of April. So if you'd like to see how this page turns out, make sure to stay until the end of the video. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and check out the kit that we will be using for today. First, this is Sleep in Cosmos. This is one out of 3 kits that are in the same collection called Cosmos. There's Sleep in Cosmos, the other one is Floating in Cosmos, and then the third one is, I think, Wishing in Cosmos. So this kit is the first black and white gray kit that's completely monochrome. It's just shades of black basically, and it is very artsy, very artsy. This kind of art, this kind of kit is the reason why I set up my shop. This kind of art is what really makes me really happy. It really draws my eye. I love high art in my planner, although I don't have it all the time. I mean, come on, it's a little bit too much if I have something like this all of the time. But it's good to go back to your roots, especially because this is, you know, a month or a week that I would like to have myself centered. And actually the last time that I did this was for my Hereafter collection, and for those of you who are big fans of the Hereafter collection, I already have 2 Hereafter volumes. There will be a volume 3 of the Hereafter collection, and I am very excited about it because it's a very different theme. So for Sleep in Cosmos, for the Cosmos collection, I'll tell you more about that, more of this theme, as well as bring you back to the Hereafter collection as well. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can go ahead and go to paperjoyph.com. That is our shop. You can check out or search Hereafter. Let me scoot over a little bit. You can go ahead and check out our shop and just search Hereafter, and you will find all of the Hereafter collection goodies on there. So I'm just putting down the side day covers. So that's the day cover. This is your decorative strip. This is your grid. No, not grid. Checklist. Okay, if you hear noises, that is our cameo. It is cutting right now because I asked my fiance if he'd make me stickers today, even though it is a weekend and it's not supposed to be a work day. But he went ahead and crawled out of bed at such an ungodly hour of 10 a.m. to make me my sticker kits. Thank you so much. That's why I'm gonna marry him. And then this is the checklist bar. There we go. Checklist column as well. You can also call it that because sometimes I call it that. And here are your dots. A lot of people do not use the dots. I love the dots for everything. I'm sorry, you guys. Yeah, I've had requests to have this replaced, but I really like it there. I'm sorry. And then you have your headers, and then you have 3 decorative circles. That is the same theme as this. And this being the second page, you have your bottom bars. You have your left bottom bar, right bottom bar, and then you have your teardrops, and then you have your script stickers at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put this decorative strip up at the top. So Cosmos, as I mentioned, like I want to be centered this month or this week. It's because there are some life-changing things that are happening this week. I mean, sometimes life-changing things should be celebrated. By sometimes, I mean, you know, all the time. I do celebrate what is going to go on this week, but I also want to have a bit of a reminder to make sure that I am thinking about things the way I should. I don't know if that will make sense to you. Probably not, and it's really difficult for me to explain what I just said. But, you know, I want to be reflective. This is the time of reflection. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my scissors because, as you can see, it is over the page. And I'm just going to cut it off real quick. That's as good as it goes. Okay, I'm just going to put it here. And then this is going to be a strip at the top that will just bring everything together, like as a border, like the page is framed. I'm resisting showing you the other pages because I want to do that towards the end of the video. So now I'm taking my left bottom bar, putting it on here, and then I'm taking my right bottom bar and putting it at the bottom. Or should I? Maybe I can put it up at the top. Okay, Let's try it. That's a little awkward. I'm low-key regretting this. Oh well. I will just take... Oh no. I'll take my teardrop. Put it over here like this. And then take my scissors once again. By the way, the paper that I'm using is our glossy cream, which is best for fountain pens. It is fountain pen friendly. It is smooth. It will not scratch. It's not scratchy at all. That's why we chose this paper. And it has a slight yellow hue because the paper here is not white. It's actually cream also. That is why. So I think this is looking very well. I'm going to go ahead and take my checklist bar / column. I think I called it column in my last plan with me. Going back, as I have mentioned, I do have kits that are a little thinky, a little high art, such as the Hereafter collection that I have mentioned. And the Hereafter collection is actually dealing with very complex emotions and strong emotions that is very difficult to express. For example, mourning is one, healing is another. We do not need this, so I will cover it up. So those emotions are very difficult to convey, and that's why I made that particular collection. That's perfect. I'm gonna take another one. And I low-key wish that I didn't put it down. I should have put this down first. Okay. Wow, I love this so much. I'm loving it so much. It's giving me so much life. Okay, so the newest Hereafter collection, which will come out on my birthday week, just in time for our birthday sale, is gonna be about renewal, surviving, and a lot of hope. So if you are a fan of that, some very artsy, very high art kits, make sure to check out my shop, paperjoyph. And now I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, so I just put this down here as a decorative element because I wanted to cover this area up. I don't use it. I mean, I thought I was going to use it, and then I changed my mind just now as I was putting this down because, it's pretty. And I put the decorative box there. Sometimes I do that if the box is something that I want to see right away. Other times I want to put it here so that I can see all the things that I need to do that I have written down on the top and then see the decorative part at the bottom. So it really depends on how you feel. For now, for this week, I wanted to see this right away. And it's a little bit of, change is good. So now I have my script sticker, and I'm going to go ahead and focus on the left side of the page. Now the script stickers are very delicate, so be very careful. I'm going to put it in between Saturday and Sunday. There we go. And so I put the headers down here because those are class days. And I wanted to mark that I wanted to drop by school. And then I have trackers, which I will put here. And then this side is going to be for notes or tasks that I need to do. That's usually what happens there anyways. And then I'm going to go ahead and put down goals at the bottom bar of the left page. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this on the 8th, 9th, 10, 11, 12. Oh, okay. Something is happening on this day. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the other script stickers, which is today and to do, and just put them at the top. So today is here. And then to do is, where's to do? Oh, it's still here. There you go. And I only have a few stickers left as well as my dots. So I'm going to go ahead and put the dots here as a checklist. I have been using it as a checklist lately of events. It's not really a checklist wherein I need to mark it off, but I do like to have dots here to mark off events. And then I'm going to do or use this as the week goes on. And I'm going to keep it in my planner here at the front. And then I have these teardrops as well. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and transfer the teardrops on here so I only have one sheet to deal with. So this is empty and all the other functionals go here. That's perfect. So I only have these to keep. Alright, so this is our empties. I'm just going to go ahead and write the numbers, and then I'm going to go ahead and put down the track, but that's going to be in fast forward mode. Okay, so this is our page done. I'm just gonna show you the pen that I use. So this is the, well, it's rubbing off because it's my favorite pen. And this is the Marvi Ushida for drawing in 0.1. And then this is my Kaweco Mint, Kaweco Sport in mint. And I got this, actually you can buy the clip bit individually. And I bought the pen, and then later when this became available, I bought the clip thing. And it matches very well because the script is silver and this is silver. That is the reason why I picked it. Right, so this is what we have now. I'm probably not going to use any other pen except for black pens. I'm not gonna, and I think I have a gray one. A similar to my liner looking pen. Like this one. So I'm probably just going to have this. I'm not going to be putting any colors because I want it to stay monochrome. So that when I flip onto it in the middle of super bright, colorful pages, then it's gonna look like that. It's gonna be popping. So I've had requests to show the previous week. And this is the previous week. I haven't filled it out completely yet. If you'd like to see completed weeks, make sure to, or completed weekly pages. So here's another. I wasn't able to complete this as well because I was sick. Super sick. But this one is pretty good. So if you'd like to see completed pages, make sure to follow me on my social media, Instagram, and Facebook group. Oh no, Facebook page is paperjoyph. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like some more planner videos, please subscribe to my channel. It is paperjoyph as well. And of course, if you'd like anything that you saw here, especially for kits, make sure to check out paperjoyph.com. That is my shop, and that is where I have all these sticker goodies for the Hobonichi weeks that is fountain pen friendly. So once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!